Whoa. What the heck? What on earth? Wait, elevator systems. What? Holy moly, these go. What? Wait, these are weird. They're Payne elevator. I've never seen Payne fixtures in the city. Oh, and there's a bell. Okay, let's go to 2. This is very, very strange. Holy moly, that's a hard stop. We'll go up. Well, I guess now it's going up. Change directions like that. All right, now let's look at this panel. What the heck? So they clearly just put those little stickers on top of the buttons. Look at this. Elevator systems. I've never heard of that before. It's not gonna ring. Right as I say it's not gonna ring, it rings. Nice.